Hello everyone, welcome back to AIRnDLab. Today we are going to talk about a mistake I see almost every new AI engineer is making. Now see, you have got a pile of data, company data, and your first instinct is, I need to fine tune a model on this. But wait, before you spend thousands of dollars or like rupees and weeks of your life training a model, I want to tell you why you should stop trying to make your AI memorize everything and start letting to use a reference handbook instead. We are diving into why Retrieval Augmented Generation or RAG is actual winner for 99% of the projects you ever worked on. Imagine you have just hired a brilliant new employee named Buddy. Now, Buddy is great at talking and has a sharp memory, but he does not know anything about your specific company cultures or rules yet. If you choose a fine tuning path, it's like taking Buddy and forcing him to memorize your entire 500-page company handbook cover to cover. Now, after weeks of studying, you ask him a question and he answers from his brain. But here's the catch. If Buddy forgets a small detail from page 342, let's say, he's not going to say, I don't know. He is a large language model, so he's going to hallucinate. So he'll give you an answer with total confidence that sounds completely right but is actually 100% made up. Now, compare that to the RAG approach. Now, instead of making Buddy memorize the book, you just give him the book to keep on his desk. When you ask him a question, he does not pull the answer from his memory. He literally opens the book, finds the right page, and reads it to you. This is what called being grounded in source knowledge. Okay, grounded in source knowledge because he is referring to a real document. So the chance of him making things up drops significantly. And in the world of AI, 2025 was all about just getting models to talk. But in 2026 is the year of the harness. So why does RAG beat fine tuning almost every single time? Why? So first let's talk about the knowledge cutoff. If your company policy changes tomorrow morning, a fine-tuned model is immediately outdated because its brain was frozen the day you finished training it. Right? Remember frozen weights we talk about in neural network or deep network? Now, with RAG, you just swap the PDF in the folder and your AI is instantly updated. This is the beauty of RAG. Second, it's about your wallet. Fine-tuning is expensive and requires massive compute power. So, a well-engineered RAG harness can actually reduce your cost by half while improving accuracy. We have seen cases where using the same model but improving the harness, the tool memory and the context management can drop the cost to up to 50%, like from $2 to per call to less than $1. If you get hired at a place like Google DeepMind, they're not looking for the people who just know how to run a training script. They want high agency engineers, that is people who have an experiment heavy mindset and can build reliable systems that don't break in production. They want to see you that you understand context engineering, which is the art of deciding exactly what information the model needs to see at each step to make the right decision. This is why I always say that learning AI is like learning to play cricket. You can't learn it just by watching the IPL on TV. You have to take the bat, go out on the field and start playing the game. So here is your call to action. Now stop just watching tutorials. I want you to go out and build a simple RAG system today. Use a tool like Claude or a Python library to connect a model to local folder of your own notes, right? Build something original, not like another Titanic dataset clone or something like that, but a real tool that solves a problem for a local business. So think where you are living in that area, just choose a small problem, For that, look for the database and build your own RAG model. Once you have built it, don't keep it a secret. Document your work, show your proof of work, and share it on LinkedIn. So, if you are doing this, if you have any problem, any doubts in like implementing this model, just drop it in a comment section. We are always ready to help you out, guys. And yes, when you build that model, just tag us here at AIRnDLab so we can see what you are up to. If you found this tutorial, this video helpful, hit that subscribe button and I'll see you in the next one. So keep building, keep experimenting, and stay high agency. See you guys. Bye bye.